Buenos estudiantes, les voy a explain este proyecto de Argentina, this Argentina project. So, this project you're going to do on this Google Doc, okay? It says you're flying to Argentina or Argentina, and you need to collect stamps on your passport. You guys ever seen a passport? It's like this little librito, a little tiny booklet, and you get stamps where you go to different countries. They give you a different stamp. I forgot mine. I was going to bring it today. Pasaporte. And on this pasaporte, this is going to be your pasaporte. Okay? These boxes down here. Let me keep going. You're going to choose 20 of the 25 items below in bold to research and do the attached questions. And those are on page 3, so we'll scroll down and see those in a minute to receive full credit. Each one of these is worth a point. The research that you're doing, and you're going to attach. We'll get into this. You have to do all the ones that are in amarillo. All those ones that are highlighted in amarillo, those are necessary ones that you must do. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to look up a photo of these things, and you're going to hyperlink the photo with a link explaining about this place or this thing in Argentina. I should be able to click on the image and see the link, and then follow the link to read about the things in your pasaporte. So let's do an example. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, we're going to do all the yellow ones. Ride a horse with a gaucho on La Pampa. Gaucho, I wonder what a gaucho is. All right, La Pampa. So we need to find out what is La Pampa. All right, so let's Control C. Maybe we can go over here and open up a new tab and find out La Pampa. And I would probably type in, Argentina as well. So we can scroll down a little bit, maybe see some images. Looks like it's in this area, La Pampa. Interesting. La Pampa. I kind of like this photo. So I wanted to know what La Pampa is. Looks like, okay, I'm seeing some images. Wonder if that's a gaucho. Let's go back. There's a video on it where you could read or watch that. Let's go to Britannica. This is usually a good academic website. La Pampa, provincia. It's a province. Central Argentina. It lies immediately west of Buenos Aires province and saddles dry sections of the Pampa northeast. Semi-arid, blah, blah, blah. Low-lying tablelands. Interesting. They have cattle, wheat and corn. Interesting. I'm going to read up a little bit more. I wonder if I can find anything about gauchos. Nope, nothing there. So, this is one website talking about La Pampa. I want this. First, I want to go back and I want to get an image. Actually, I wanted an image. So, I'm going to I like this image. I'm going to take it. I'm going to go back to my culture project and I'm going to put it right inside of there. Beautiful. I have an image. There's another way you could also insert the photo. Look up La Pampa. Still don't know what a gaucho is, so I'm kind of curious about that as well. Gaucho. Looks like they're horseback riders. Very interesting. And cattle herders. Must be Argentinian cattle herders. Very good. Let's see. I wanted to get back to my website. So, next thing you need to do is find your website, and you're going to get the link. You can Control C to copy the link. Now let's go back to this, and I'm gonna hold down the Alt button and click on the image. It'll give me the options. It's kind of like right-clicking if you have a mouse. Okay, then I'm gonna click Link, and then I can click Control V to insert my link. Okay, so now when I click on this, it's gonna take me right to that website about La Pampa. Beautiful. Let's try another one. La Garganta del Diablo. Swim in the waterfall. Oh, it's a waterfall of La Garganta del Diablo. So I'm going to research. I Control C, Control V there. Ooh, that was a beautiful picture. Oh, I really like this one. Let's accept some galletas. Leave me alone. 1 kilometer away. Beautiful. Uh, I like this website, although I can't do this because I'm in my presenter view. See if I can move myself. Maybe this will. There we finally go. All right, I like this image. I'm going to take it. I'm going to click it and drag it, put it right in here. I'm going to make it just a little bigger, maybe. Okay, that's about as big as I can get it here. And then I want that link as well. Control C. I go back to here, and then I hit Alt and click. Alt and click. Remember, it's not Control here, it's Alt click. Link. Looks like you can also just click on this and then hit Control K. That's another way to do it. And then paste your link in there with Control V. Right now, I have a link in here. I have 2 of these done. Ice skate on Lago Nahuel Huapi in Patagonia. I'm going to skip this one because it's not yellow. Okay, you understand that part. Scroll down a little bit and you will see that there are questions. Okay, there are questions that you need to answer in complete sentences. This is 1 point per question. So maybe this first one. What is the difference between the seasonal timing list months of the ski season in Argentina and the ski season in the United States? So, when do we ski in the United States? When do you go skiing? Maybe I should say snow skiing rather than water skiing. That's like December, January, February, maybe a little bit in March. And then you need to find out when they do that in Argentina. Also, this word, that's mate. That is a Spanish drink. Or not a Spanish drink, an Argentinian drink. That's a Spanish word. Okay? You're going to answer all of those 10 questions. Oh, look, this 10th one's on the bottom page. And remember, this project is out of 30 points. So you got to do all of these highlighted ones plus, let's see, I think there are 14 highlighted ones. So you got to add another 6 of the non-highlighted ones out of the 25. These are instructions of how to do that copying and pasting with the photo. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me via email or you can talk to me in person. Gracias.